Okay. The next couple are Chief Dr. Joe Ovike. Oh, Joe Ovike, you are welcome. Please, we want to recognize Mr. Emmanuel Natwaya and Ms. Gladys to the high table. Mr. Emmanuel Natwaya and Gladys. A round of applause for them, please. The next person is Dr. Tony Obuya and the wife. Dr. and Mrs. Tony Obuya, please go to the high table. You're welcome. And the next is Chief Oladmeju and his lovely wife, Dr. Mrs. Oladmeju. Please come to the high table. Chief and Dr. Mrs. Oladmeju. I can see Mr. Ogloli. Okay, we wait. Okay, Dr. Okemela, please. Dr. Okemela, we've been expecting you. Can you please come to the high table? A round of applause for him, please. This is the first one. Please, I want to recognize the presence of Lady Juliet Durugo. Lady Juliet Durugo, please come to the high table. Lady Juliet Durugo. I've seen her, I know she's in this hall. Okay, maybe she's gone out. Whenever she comes in, you let me know. Or you tell her that she has already been recognized. Lady Durugo. Mazi Mike Ogorie. Mazi Mike Ogorie. A round of applause for him, please. I want to recognize the presence of Mr. Alex Abukwe from Ghana. Mr. Alex Abukwe from Ghana. A round of applause for him, please. Please. I want to recognize the presence of the reputable doctor and his wife, Dr. and Mrs. Ahonkai. Dr. and Mrs. Ahonkai, please come to the high table. Please, Mr. and Mrs. Okoli, Mr. and Mrs. Okoli, McPhillips Foods, we want you to come to the high table. Mr. and Mrs. Okoli. McPhillips, please give them a good hand. Round of applause, please. We want to recognize the presence of Honorable Dr. and Mrs. Ezekiel. Honorable Dr. and Mrs. Ezekiel, please come to the high table. Honorable, he is a traditional man, so let us give him a traditional round of applause. Clap for them, please. We are honored to have you in our presence today, sir. We want to recognize the presence of Owechi and Mrs. Victor Chukura. Owechi and Mrs. Victor Chukura. Owechi. Yeah, give them a round of applause.
Each in terms of what you have been told.